Echo is a proportional brake controller, which means it does not just activate when you press the brake pedal. It needs to sense deceleration, real movement, to apply braking power to the trailer. So if you're sitting still and pressing the brakes, you will not see any output within the OneControl Auto app. This is totally normal. To test Echo's functionality, we recommend using an empty parking lot with level ground or a back road. With the vehicle in drive, use the vehicle's brakes to stop the vehicle and trailer. Then press the manual override button in the OneControl Auto app. This override button sends full braking power immediately to the trailer brakes, whether you are moving or not. Now, take your foot off the vehicle's brake pedal while pressing the override button on the app. The trailer's brakes should be engaged and holding the vehicle in place, even in drive. Adjusting your Echo's trailer brake settings changes how Echo controls the trailer's brakes. While operating the vehicle coupled to your trailer in a safe, level environment, start low on the maximum output settings and see how the trailer responds when braking from slow to moderate speeds. Increase the maximum output setting until you can feel the trailer's brakes engaging while slowing down. You must also consider the trailer's weight when fully loaded. It takes much further to brake with heavy loads, especially if the brake controller isn't properly adjusted. Once you feel the trailer braking along with the vehicle in a smooth but firm response, you have found the right setting and no more adjusting is needed. The sensitivity level adjusts the trailer's aggressiveness when activated during braking. This means how quickly the trailer brakes are applied. Again, a smooth and firm response from the trailer with the towing vehicle is what you want. When the towing vehicle's hazard lights are activated, the trailer's brakes may pulse on and off as the lights flash while Echo is being used. To prevent the pulsing brake output, toggle the hazard light switch on anytime the vehicle's hazard lights are active. These optimized settings can be saved as a trailer profile within the OneControl Auto app. In fact, once a profile of a vehicle and trailer combination is saved within the OneControl Auto app, your mobile device is not needed for Echo to function. Echo will always use the last profile's setting that was saved. This means you could throw your mobile device out the window as you're driving, and the brake controller will perform just as it would with the mobile device in reach. However, we do not recommend that you actually do that. This is the beauty and smart design of Echo. Use it with multiple vehicle and trailer setups and create an optimized profile for each towing setup. Echo will recall and perform as expected once installed and set up correctly. No surprises. For more information on Echo and everything else towing, please check out CURTMFG.com. Feel free to reach out to us directly by calling our technical support number or drop a comment below. We're here to help. Always tow safely.